Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the fascinating world of pest control methods. Whether you're dealing with pesky insects invading your home or pests damaging your garden, we've got you covered. Today, we'll explore a variety of pest control techniques, ranging from natural remedies to advanced technologies. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about natural remedies. These methods utilize substances found in nature to repel or eliminate pests without harming the environment. Neem oil is a popular natural insecticide derived from the seeds of the neem tree. It's effective against a wide range of pests while being safe for plants, pets, and humans. Now, let's talk about biological control. This method involves introducing natural predators or parasites to control pest populations. Ladybugs, for example, are voracious predators of aphids, scale insects, and other garden pests. Introducing them into your garden can help keep pest populations in check without the need for harmful chemicals. Physical barriers are another effective pest control method, especially in gardening. Row covers and netting can protect plants from pests like birds, rabbits, and insects while still allowing sunlight, air, and moisture to reach the plants. Finally, let's explore advanced pest control technologies. Ultrasonic pest repellers emit high-frequency sound waves that are disruptive to pests like rodents and insects, driving them away from your home without the use of chemicals or traps. Natural remedies, biological control, physical barriers, or advanced technologies, there's a pest control method out there for you. Remember to choose the method that best fits your needs while minimizing harm to the environment. Thanks for watching, and happy pest controlling!